Alright, this is a section of the grade book. It is not alphabetical, so I'm not calling everybody out. It's just listed by the number of assignments of the Pro Letter Writer badge. So, in order for you guys to kind of keep moving through this process, I am going to badge all of you. Um, I might hold off on some of these. So if you notice, all the red assignments are the ones not complete. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of you haven't completed thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 haven't formally completed the Skittles data. One of you hasn't completed your cover letter submission 2. Um, a couple of you haven't done your cover letter final submissions. So I'm not going to call you out on that, but these are things you need to work on if you like these two guys who may have had some absences or may have worked on other things like typing. So all of you guys, you know who you are who have these read. I'm not going to count them late unless they're not. Especially the cover letters need to be done. Like they have to be done today. Um, Otherwise, I will actually take points off for tardiness. And the thank you letter, quite honestly, needs to be getting there today. I know some of you had extenuating circumstances, but it's time that this gets done so you can move on. So the next thing in the list of things to do is this key to a successful, once I'm going to check you all off so you just can keep seamlessly hitting next on your assignments. Um, so after thank you, I'm going to open up this assignment so you can see it. Um, so thank you letter. There's a bunch of you who have it done. You did a great job. Moving on. You would hit next. You're going to do your Skittles data. Some people miss this memo, but in the Skittles data collection, please realize that the first one that pops up is the last one I was working in. So somehow block 8 got moved to the front. That's fine. This is not your block. Block 4 is down here at the bottom, and tons of you have data. So thank you for those of you who took the time and got some Skittles. Make sure, so there's a lot more people with Skittles data, and I mean, I can tell some of you guys copied each other's data, but you literally get to eat Skittles in class. So if you are Nolan or Simon or Walt, I guess that's it. You three are allowed to ask permission to go get Skittles from the Snack Shack and do your Skittles data collection. When you're done, all you have to do is hit done. You go to your publish and hit done. See, right done, so I know you're done. I'll give you the points for that. 5 points for buying Skittles and eating them. Then you get your badge. You will continue to hit next. Everyone will have badges so that way you can continue working seamlessly through. You have to click through so it unlocks. So you have to see this picture in order to move on to the next thing. Next module, you're going to do these notes. Other people have done them already, so make sure you check with them on how to complete these notes. Please actually read through these guidelines because I'm going to actually make you make a PowerPoint and grade you on your ability to follow the 10 tips. After that, we have the Skittles graphing assignment with another amazing video by me that walks you through how to do everything. Here's a link to the data. Here's the actual like written document, which I highly recommend you actually read. And if you finish that, you move on to the choice assignment. 2 choices, details on how you get your score. And then if you get all of that done, including the PowerPoint that goes with this, then you work on typing. Okay, it's going to pop up this second choice activity. I unpublished it. That's not available anymore for you. Then you're completing more typing. If you accomplish all this today, then you are done for the day. If you're not, just keep working. You do not have to get all of this done, but you should not be playing 2048. You should not be watching any Fortnite. You should be working continuously through this until you achieve this point. All right, good luck. Have a great weekend. Be safe, and I will see you all on Tuesday.